So guys, andito kami sa winery. Mayroong ano kanina, music, live music. So nagpicnic lang kami kasama yung mga bata. Kung sa Woodinville to guys, ang mahal-mahal nito. Mas malaki pati yung winery nila. Sa freeway entrance, parking, there's food truck. All you have to do is just get the wine. And you can just bring the wine in the field and they'll let you to use their wine glass. Ang ganda. It's really nice. So you can see the sunset. Yan, pauwi na kami kasi medyo malamig na talaga siya ngayon. Okie dokie, bye!